Hey guys, so a couple of weeks ago, Jesse in Oklahoma, he called me and asked me when my birthday is. Oh, my birthday is November 24th. He says, "Oh, okay, cool. I'm gonna send you a birthday present. It's gonna be a little early." I was like, "What? For real?" He's like, "Yeah, okay. Well." He texted me today while I was at work and let me know that the tracking says that the package was delivered. So this is the only package I got, so this must be the present that Jesse's talking about. So let's open this thing up. Kind of a big box. It's lightweight. Lightweight for this big box. But it is what it is, right? He sent me a bunch of paper. Yeah. Ah. Okay. We get to see what this is. Ah, nice. They didn't tape it all up. I hate it when they tape it together like that. You have to cut it all apart. Man. Athearn Blue Box. Check this out. Look at that, guys. Send me an Athearn, SW7 or a 1500, whichever one they wanted to call it at the time. Nice. Look, it has all the railings and everything still. Cool. Let's see if we can take this thing out. There we go. Is that too close? I'm not sure. I can't see the camera, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah, that's in good. That looks like it's in really good condition. Oh, wow, the wheels are really dirty. Okay, well I'm gonna take this apart, give it a nice tune-up, lube her all up, get her going. Check you guys later. Thank you, Jesse. You rock.